Hello, today I'm gonna show you a pressure switch tester I made with this air pump or inflator that you can buy from Amazon for 20 bucks something. The box gonna be like this, and it's called inflator deflator. So this is the one with adapter. The thin one you can connect to a hose, and this is discharge side, positive pressure. That is negative pressure. And made some modification. You can open the screws and remove this back cover. And here the knob is a speed adjuster right behind here. So this speed adjuster, you can control the fan speed. A few bucks. And there's a light bulb. I drew a hole here, and there's a light bulb. If you make these two wire shorted, see if I can make it. Oh, the light is on, light is off. So when the light on, you know the switch is closed. So this light bulb you can get from the auto store, any 12 volts car light bulb. And basically it's connected to the switch. If switch closed, it will turn on the light bulb, so you can see the light from over here. And you control the fan speed, you get different pressure. Okay, and you need a T, at least one T, two hoses, and the hose connected to your manometer. So this is a pressure switch I got from Carrier 1.81. So I turned it on. Hold to 0. Yeah, let it go. It's 0. So I'll turn the knob. Here's the light here. See how high it can go. Okay, thank you for watching.